To begin, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap the chat bubble icon at the bottom to access the chat screen. Start a new chat by tapping the new chat icon, or select an existing chat with the person you want to send a voice message to. In the chat, press and hold the microphone icon next to the typing area, to start recording your voice message. Now record your voice while holding the button. To cancel the recording before sending, simply slide your finger to the left, and you'll see the trash icon. If you want to continue recording, slide your finger back to the right. When you're done recording, simply release the button, and the message will be sent automatically. You can tap the play button to listen to your recording. To access more options, tap the stop button, then long press on the recording. You will then see several options, including saving it in the chat, deleting it, replying to the chat, or forwarding it. So that's how you can send a voice message on Snapchat.